Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all having a great day. Today, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're going to be doing a ceramic wheel coating, and this coating is from Adams Polish. So let's go ahead and open up the box that they sent us, and let's see what's inside, and then let's get this started. Alright, so here's the box that I got from Adams Polish. This is the wheel coating kit, so we'll set this aside and we'll open that in a second. I also went ahead and ordered their wheel cleaner. This stuff is fantastic, so we're going to use this to clean the wheels and then apply the surface prep on there. I also got a brush to make the cleaning a lot easier, and this is their soft bristle brush, so it won't like scratch the wheels or anything. And I guess I also sent this for the wheel cleaner, which is really nice of them. So let's go ahead and set this box out of the way and open up the actual wheel coating itself. So when you open it up, they sent two microfiber towels, which is awesome. I'm going to set this in this box. Don't want those to touch the ground, or else we'll have to throw those away and can't use them. These, more of these squirt nozzle things. Some gloves. Two borderless gray towels. So we'll set that in that box again. Don't want those to touch the ground. They sent this surface prep, and I'm sorry my camera's not focusing, but this is the Adams surface prep, and I like the way the bottles look. They look so like simple and modern. They look really cool actually. Here's a ceramic boost. They sent two foam applicators for the ceramic itself, the ceramic coating. This looks to be like an instruction manual. Set that aside. And then this is the ceramic itself. So sweet. It's a little bottle, but feels like there's a lot of liquid in there. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in this box, and then use the Adams wheel cleaner to prep the wheels, and then we'll come back when it's ready for the ceramic coating. Alright boys, so here's the final product. This is just using the Adams Polish wheel cleaner to clean the wheels, and they are the cleanest they have ever been. That is a rock chip, and unfortunately there is a bunch of rock chips on the barrel of the wheel, which is fine. I mean, I daily drive the car, so it is to be expected. So let's go ahead and get the Adams Polish surface prep out from the wheel coating kit, and we're gonna prep the surface, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. So I folded the borderless gray towel into fours, and this is just gonna make it easier to wipe the surface down. So I'm gonna spray this directly onto the wheels and go ahead and wipe it down, and then we should be all set for the ceramic coating to go on. So let's go ahead and do that. You want to make sure you go ahead and do the back of the spokes as well while you're at it. Alright, so once you have the barrel done, you can go ahead and rotate the wheel, and we'll do the face of the wheel, and then we'll be ready for the ceramic coating to go on. Alright, so now that we're done with the face, we're going to go ahead and rotate it around. We're going to do the barrel first for the coating. You really want to take your time when you're doing this process, because the more your time you take on the prep, the better the finished product is going to look. So now that we're ready, we're going to rotate it, do the barrel, and then, yeah. So we'll do a straight line, like so. And then immediately put the cap back on. Make sure the cap is on tight, because this stuff doesn't take long to harden. So set that aside. And then we'll do a forward and then a cross hatching pattern. And then you just want to work in small space, in small areas. You don't want to go ahead and try to do the whole wheel. So we can go ahead and let that dry for a little bit. I'm going to set this down out of the way. And then we'll use our borderless gray towel to go ahead and wipe the ceramic coating off the surface. So you generally want to do a cross hatching pattern, so you'll want to go front and back, and then you'll want to go like side to side basically and cover the area that you just did. It doesn't take long for it to cure or flash, as people say. Usually takes about 15 to 30 seconds is what the instructions from Adams Polish says. So once those 15 to 30 are done, you want to go ahead and use the borderless gray towel and go ahead and wipe the surface off that you just apply the ceramic coating on. Alright, so once you're done ceramic coating the whole wheel, now we have to wait 24 hours before we could apply the ceramic boost on top. So I will see you guys tomorrow at 3 p.m. which will be 24 hours from now. So catch you guys then. Alright guys, so we're back. It's been a total of 24 hours. So now the wheels should be done curing with the ceramic coating. Adams kit comes with everything that you need, and it's really simple to put on. The coating took no time at all. You just have to, the prep is the big part that you have to worry about. As long as you get the prep where you want it, everything else should be a breeze. So the thing that we have to do now is apply the ceramic coating, or the ceramic boost, which is another simple process. All you do is spray the wheel and use one of the microfiber towels to buff it off, and that's it. And then they're ready to go on the car. The only thing I have to do is clean the tires because they're a little dirty, which I'm probably going to wait until maybe a week from now or so to clean the wheel, just so that like the coating sits and everything. So yeah, so they came out really well. They look brand new with the Adams tire cleaner and then the coating on top. They look brand new, and they're black, so they're going to stay black for a while. The brake dust is going to, you know, fall off of it when you go to wash it. So Adams kit does a fantastic job of providing everything that you need, and it's really simple to put on. It took no time at all. You just have to make sure you do a decent job at prepping, and then everything else will be a breeze. So let's go ahead and put on this ceramic boost, and then get ready to put them on the car. Alright, so now we're going to apply the Adams ceramic boost, and this is what's going to give it that super gloss, super hydrophobic properties. And so yeah, so we're just going to spray it onto the wheel, and then use one of the white microfiber towels that came with the kit, and just buff it off. And then generally you want to use this every 3 or 4 washes on the wheels, so it maintains that protective coating and it maintains that super slick, super gloss finish. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to spray it onto the wheel, onto the barrel first, and then white microfiber towel, and then yeah. That stuff smells really good too, actually. So microfiber towel, make sure it's clean, and then just buff it off. So that was super simple enough. Make sure you hit the back of the spokes as well. That's the barrel done. So now we'll go ahead and flip it over, and then we'll do the face of the wheel, and then that's it. That's the last process, and then we're able to put the wheels back onto the car. So let's get the face done real quick. Alright, so that is one wheel completely done, ceramic coated, and then the ceramic boost on top. When you're using the microfiber towel to wipe everything off, you can really feel how much of a difference the ceramic boost on top of the coating makes a difference. It makes everything so smooth, like the towel just keeps gliding around the surface, which is awesome. So now I'm going to do the rest of the wheels that are over there. I'm going to do the rest of them off camera, and then we'll go ahead and throw them on the car, and then we'll cut to that, and that will be it. Alright boys, so the wheels are back onto the car, as you can see. Please excuse the tires. I still need to clean those and dress them in the monster truck status. The car still needs to settle from being lifted and putting the wheels back on. So now that we're all done, this process is going to make the cleaning the wheels so much easier, and which is nice. It's going to be easy to clean off the brake dust and just like the road grime and stuff from daily driving this car. If you guys want to pick up a kit for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below. I'm not sponsored by Adams Polish, but I wish I was. But super simple. I'd recommend getting your favorite wheel cleaner just so you can clean the wheels off. Maybe a brush, so you can get into like the nooks and crannies of your wheels, because every wheel is going to be different. But like I said, links can be down in the description. Thank you guys for watching. In a week or so, I'm going to do a update on the coating and a like maintenance wash on them, so you guys can check that out if you'd like. So yeah, thanks for watching.